Hello guys, once again, welcome to this Excel course where we are going to generate our results and present our results in a graph. Alright, so in this course we are gonna take all our results and try to predict the average price movement of, the range of the price of this stock and where exactly the stock can go. So we will try to predict the highest place where the stock will go and the lowest place of where the stock will go. And we'll make also a graphic presentation of our stock. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is select data to see how exactly we need to present our data to be able to generate a graph. So simply click here in all charts, we'll go on stock. So we have to at first put the open price, then the high price, the low price, and finally the close price. So what I'll ask you guys to do is simply insert here a tab and copy all your price to the tab right there. So I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. As you can see here, I have my close price and I simply copy and pasted everything from here to here. All right, when we have all this, it's very simple. We need our dates. So you can just take this price. We'll insert once again another tab and simply copy paste dates. Why I don't delete nothing? Because I need all those things to be able to work with the formulas that I have here. Alright, so when all this is done, you simply select all the dates and all the prices. So from date here to all the prices, and you drag it till down there. Then you click on the recommended chart and we'll generate a stock chart, which is the chart right here. So as you can see, you're supposed to generate a chart like this. Amazing. So right now we have our chart and we can work with this chart right there. So we can make it a bit bigger. So this way we'll be able to see it. All right, perfect. Great. So as you can see, guys, we have our chart right there. Right now, we want to know where exactly, so this is our price. It started here. We have the dates right there. So from the 21st March until the 21st April, if I'm not mistaken, 2020. And we want to know exactly for the next period of, let's say, 1 month or 2 months. It all depends of how you want to predict your price. Where exactly will be the highest price, where we'll put the highest price, and where we'll put the lowest price. So to have, let's say, 97% of chances to be right. So how do we do this? It's very simple. We have to take the highest price and make an addition of the highest price with 2 times the standard deviation that we have there. So let's calculate the highest price. And lowest price. So once again, right now we are working with past data, but usually how all this will work, you will add new data from day to day. So for example, 1 day passes, you will add the new data to your graph, and it will change the answer of your of the max that we put it and the min that we put it. So this way your graph will always be able to adapt. Alright, so as I said, the highest price will simply be the highest price ever that we have. And we'll make an addition of this price by 2 times the standard deviation. So you guys are supposed to have something like this. So it's very simple. The formula is this cell, so the highest price, plus 2 multiplied by the standard deviation. The exact same thing will have to be done with the lowest price. So it's very simple. Simply click on equal. So we'll take this time the lowest price minus 2 times multiplied by the standard deviation. So those are our, let's say, places where we are going to put our max and min. So if we want to trade this ETF, we can predict in the next, let's say, days that the price will never go higher than the price right here or lower than the price right there. So once again, there's just some basic ways to predict the price movement. And once again, as I said, it's 97%. We are 97% sure that the prices will never beat the price right here in a certain defined period of time, of course. And every day we adapt our graphics, so we adapt the new let's say places, the new values. We'll add them to the graph, and this way we will be able to have the rightest prediction possible. So right now we want to put those lines on the graph, so we are not gonna complicate ourselves lives. So what we'll do, simply go on draw, click on draw right here, and you can simply draw a line somewhere here. So this will be our highest price, it will be somewhere here, and our lowest price will be somewhere around here. So as you can see, it makes 100% sense, and as I said, it will be a provision for the next month. So it simply will go this way. So the price, even if it moves, we don't think that the price will go lower than this price right here or higher than this price right here in, let's say, the next month. But once again, as I said, it's very important if, for example, you try to make a price prediction to work on a daily basis with your data. So right now we have data till the 21st April. So let's say the 22nd April, we'll need to add some new data. The 23rd April, once again, we'll need to add some new data. Our graph will adapt, the standard deviation will also adapt, and the provision of the highest price and the lowest price will also adapt. So maybe we'll go higher, maybe we'll go lower. Everything depends from the standard deviation that will maybe contract or become bigger. So that's it for this course, guys. Right now you know how to generate a basic simulation of let's say a stock price, the max and the min value of a stock price mathematically. So in the next class we'll simply create a dashboard to put this data in it. But besides of that, that's it for this course, and see you all in our next class.